Gold coins worth thousands of dollars. In this video, I'm going to be going over some very rare Sacagawea dollar coins that sold for a ton of money that you should keep your eyes peeled for. Now, it's important to know that a lot of people think these Sacagawea coins are produced with gold, but that's not the case. They're actually coins with a copper core with a brass outer layer, giving them a golden appearance. This coin that you're looking at on the screen sold for $84,000, guys. That's right. It was graded by NGC, which is a third-party grading company, at an AU58. AU stands for almost uncirculated. Now, the reason why I got the AU grade is because there are some nicks and gashes on the coin. That's why the condition of your coin is so important when it comes to the value of the coin. If you have a rare coin, make sure you are keeping it safe, not damaging it. Now, the reason why this one is so rare is because this is called a mule coin. Now, we all know what a mule is. It's the combination of a donkey and a horse, two things that should not go together, which is why the front of this coin is a Sacagawea dollar and the back is a presidential dollar. How this exactly happened during the minting process, I am not sure. It could have been a mint employee that did this on purpose. Who really knows at the end of the day? It's hard to trust some people out there. But regardless, if you were to come across a coin like this, you would be in for a treat because $84,000 this coin sold for in auction. $144,000 for this Sacagawea dollar. Now, when you're looking at the back of the Sacagawea dollar, everything looks normal here. This one was graded by PCGS at a mid-state 65 plus. Now, the plus grade designation will increase the value quite a bit there, but that's all subject to the grader grading the coin at the time. Now, similar to the previous coin, this is also a mule coin, but the front of the coin is a statehood quarter. So these two should never go together. Now, most of the time, your Sacagawea dollar coins are not going to be worth any more than a few dollars unless it's in a very high graded condition. Remember this also. There are people out there that will try to replicate this error and sell it for a lot of money online, whether that is splicing a coin in half and pasting them or welding them together and then coloring the coin to make it appear to be a genuine error. That is why third-party companies like NGC and PCGS are so important to the hobby. What you need to know is that if you find one, make sure that you hold onto it safely and do not get scammed and ripped off. The Coin and Currency Mastermind class is coming soon. Click the link below to join the waitlist and I'll see you inside.